Well, good morning folks, it's time for the third tomato prune, and as you can see they're getting stripped back quite a bit. I don't know if you can, maybe I can go around the other side and you'll see better. I've done the first half a dozen or so. You can see over there, and I've got to keep going around here. Now because my greenhouse is leaking, I'm starting to get a bit of this rot on here, but that's all going to be rectified with this prune. And if it starts getting worse, we're supposed to have about a week of fine weather after today, so hopefully we'll get some heat in here and dry things out. So anyway, let's get onto it. Where did I put my scissors? In my pocket. So you can see basically here what I've done. Where's an easy one to show you? You can see the old prunes, and as I come up and as the tomatoes set, I just go up and take the leaves off. I leave enough at the top there for photosynthesis. So that's all you really need. I've gone a bit harsh on these, but they'll be fine. You can see that one there. This one's been done fully, and plus it keeps the foliage away from each other, from touching each other as much. Oh, there's a sucker I need to pull out up there. So yeah, it keeps the foliage away from each other and allows a lot more air to get through them. Now here's an example of the leaf here. The tomatoes are set on the end, and this leaf's just hanging off doing nothing. So if I come around here, so I'll just snip that off. I'm trying to hold this with my hand. Using a tripod's useless for this sort of thing. So just snip that off. And that's probably about it for that one. I've already had a go at this one earlier. There's another one there where the fruit's set. Gosh, it's hard. Sorry guys. Where the fruit's set there, and there's a runner coming off there. So I'll just, oh, I can't see there, eh? So I'll just snip that one there. Right. And of course, all the goodness is going to the fruit. And when I come to a new plant like this one, the bottom, oh goodness, this is really difficult. The bottom one there is the first one to go. There it is. So I'm looking at the stems there. Okay. That one's useless. Where are we with this plant? See that V there? It didn't go anywhere after that. That's why I always leave the top sucker. So same with this one. That one didn't go anywhere, just ended. And they're all setting fruit on the bottom there. This one here ended as well. So, and now the next V, or the next offshoot is up here. So I always leave the top sucker, because sometimes they go like that and you end up with you know, just one straight plant with an offshoot. So anyway, let's carry on here. That's pretty much done for that one. Let's do one more. So the bottommost leaf there. I know it's hard to see guys, I'm sorry about that. So I'll take this one as well. I'll take this one. Where are we? Can't see for all the leaves myself. There we go. This one can come off. That one. Now let me see. Let's try and separate these plants. So that sucker can come off. That leaf and that leaf. Hopefully I'm getting these in shot. Goodness me. That one. Okay, so I've finished that side now. So just a quick recap. It's pretty simple really. So if you look where I've pruned them, I just keep going up as the fruit's set, pretty much. Just keep taking the big leaves off, take the suckers off, leave the top sucker, just in case your offshoot ends, like this one, and just keep going up. Now these are determinate, so they won't get a lot higher. I might be able to train them up and along the string maybe to about here, and they'll probably end there. Anyway, hope that helps you. Oh, one more thing. I have these little hooks here. They come in very handy if the fruit gets heavy. For instance, these ones are getting larger. They're a bit small yet, but if I can get them shot, I just hook it under the fruit there like that to hold the weight, and then you can hook it onto. That's why I always leave a bit of the stem there of the leaves, and hook it up, and it'll hold the weight of the tomatoes as they get bigger and bigger. And of course all the weight is on the string here. So hope that's helpful. That's the third prune for the tomatoes. There won't be much more pruning to do, if any, but I'll get round, get all these ones done, and I should have nice beautiful tomatoes before Christmas. What is it? Yeah, nearly 2 months to Christmas, or just over. So yeah, I'll be very pleased to have that first crop. I have another crop going outside. What are they? They're black crims. And once this one's finished, I'll get another crop in the other greenhouse once the cabbages are finished, and they're going to be Italian Romas. But yep, very nice. We're going alright considering the rain. Well, some of it. Happy gardening, guys.